channel Master Mathematics by Shaiji Mohandas. Today we are going to learn about the Class 9 Chapter 7 triangles. This Class 9 Chapter 7 triangle, the important theorems are 7.1 and 7.2. 7.1 is a ASA congruency. Proof is very important. It carries 5 marks. Sure question in your board examination. Okay. First of all, we have to introduce the chapter. What is a congruence? What is the congruence rule? That is included in this video. So everyone, please watch the full video, and if you like, means you have to like and share to your friends, and if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe right now. It will be very useful to your board examination. Okay, let us moving on to the topic. Triangles chapter is the chapter 7 of the CBSE NCERT textbook. Okay, what does mean by congruence? Congruence means if any two figures are in the same size and the same shape. If any two figures are in the same size and same shape, then it is called it as a congruence. So that these two figures are congruent. Then that here we are taking ABC as a triangle and DEF as another triangle. Okay. Then the corresponding sides or corresponding corners are A corresponds to D, and B corresponds to E, and C corresponds to F. These are the corresponding corners. Okay. The corresponding sides are AB corresponds to DE, and BC corresponds to EF, and AC corresponds to DF. These are the corresponding angles and the corresponding sides. Any two figures are in the same size and shape, we call it as a congruent figures. Okay. In here it is the first case. In the two triangle, any three condition we must satisfy. Any three side may be equal, or any two side and one angle, or three angle, or two angle one side. Any one of the condition will be satisfied. They are congruent. The congruency is written as, this is the congruence. Okay. So in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, in the two triangles, see the figures. AB is 15, DE is 50. So we can write it as AB equal to DE. And BC and EF are equal. BC equal to EF. And AC equal to DF. See, these three sides are equal. These are the three sides are equal. Then we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. This is the congruence. Any three conditions. Maybe in the two triangles, we can write it as, we can write this one side, and this is 30 degree and this is also 30 degree. So in this two triangle, AB equal to DE and BC equal to EF and angle B equal to angle E. In here also two side and one angle. This also congruent. Triangle ABC is congruent to DEF. In any two triangles, three sides are equal, it will be congruent. Any two sides and one angle are equal, they are congruent. Any three angles are congruent, that two triangles are congruent. This is a congruency. If any two triangles are congruent, then the remaining corresponding parts are equal. If any two triangles are congruent, the remaining corresponding parts are equal. That is called as a CPCT, corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. Clear? In this case, what are the corresponding parts? Angle A is correspond to angle B, and angle B is correspond to angle E, and angle C is correspond to angle F in this case. In this case, we can write it as AC corresponds to DF and also angle B corresponds to angle C, angle E, and angle C correspond to angle F. These are the corresponding parts, then they are also equal. The remaining corresponding parts are also equal. That is the congruence rule. Okay. So in the case of a triangle, any three conditions must satisfy. They are equal, they are congruent. If the two triangles are congruent, remaining corresponding parts are also equal. That is the CPCT. Clear? If any two figures are in the same size and shape, then we call it as a congruent figures. In the case of a circle, the two circles with the same radii, 5 cm. The two circles with same radii called the congruent circles. The two circles with the same radii, the 5 cm, 5 cm. Then we call it as a congruent circles. The next case in the squares. The two squares are in the measurement of 5 cm side. Then we called it as a congruent squares. So congruence means that two figures are in the same size and shape. Then we called it as a congruent figures. In this chapter 7 triangles, only the congruency based on the triangles. In this chapter we included SAS, ASA, AAS and RHS. 4 theorems are there. In the 4 theorems, ASA congruency is the most important theorem with the proof that you will get 5 marks. So don't forget to learn ASA congruency. Next video is based on ASA congruency proof. Okay. So we will learn the congruency. First of all, SAS congruence rule. Listen, SAS congruence rule. That is the first rule. What is the statement? Two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle are equal to the two sides and included angle are equal. Two sides and the included are equal to the other triangle. So we consider in triangle ABC is the one of the triangle and another triangle PQR. Just for understanding, SAS theorem. What is SAS? S is side, in between angle. That is SAS theorem. Two sides and in between the sides there is angle. Included angle are equal to the other triangle. That is SAS congruence rule. In the two triangle, any two sets, AB is equal to PQ. AB is equal to PQ. Then and BC is equal to QR. BC equal to QR. And one of the angle included means in between the sides. So angle B equal to angle Q. Then we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by SAS. Two sides and included angle. See, these two sides and included angle equal to the two sides and the included angle. That is called as a SAS congruence rule. If the two triangles are congruent by SAS means what are the remaining corresponding angles or sides are equal? CPCT. So from the part, what are the CPCT? We can write it as the third side. AC is also equal to PR by CPCT and angle A is also equal to angle P by CPCT and also angle C is equal to angle R by CPCT. So if any two triangles are congruent by any one of the rule, here SAS congruence rule, the remaining parts or a corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are equal. So if it is here given AB and PQ are equal and BC and Q are equal, included angle is B is equal to Q, then we can say that the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. What is the CPCT here? AC is also equal to PR by CPCT and angle A is equal to angle P by CPCT and angle C is equal to angle R, also CPCD. This is the SAS rule. Okay. So all of you got it an idea about the congruence rule and the SAS congruency. Okay. Now next class we are moving on to the ASA congruence rule, that is very important with the proof. So everybody should subscribe my channel and the bell icon on the right side, then only you will get more updates from my channels. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. See you soon on my next video. Till then, bye.